Capital One VentureOne Rewards pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking for a no annual fee travel rewards card, the Capital One VentureOne Rewards card is surprisingly powerful. Most people get this wrong. They assume no fee cards can't offer meaningful rewards, but the truth is you can earn unlimited travel miles on everyday spending. The card earns 1x miles on every purchase with no categories to track. For example, if you spend 0 a year on your business or personal expenses, you'll earn 15 miles, enough for a domestic flight. Miles can be redeemed for travel purchases, statement credits, or transferred to partner loyalty programs for even more value. Additional perks include no foreign transaction fees, purchase protection, and travel accident insurance. There is no annual fee, which means every mile earned is net benefit. In conclusion, the Capital One VentureOne Rewards card is a simple and effective way to earn travel rewards without the complexity or cost of premium cards. For businesses or individuals seeking straightforward, flexible rewards, it turns everyday purchases into opportunities for travel.